Hey everyone, it's Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Drea, and her channel is Clueless Mama D. Also hosting this collab is Rhea, and her channel name is Rhea's World of Ideas. Today we will be creating a DIY using Dollar Tree items, and you cannot spend over $5. So let's get right to it. I'll show you what I've got. I'll be using these pumpkins. They come 5 to a pack. You get 5 for $1. The ghosts are also 5 to a pack for $1. I'll be using a set of sticker sheets. I'll also be using some chalk paint and pumpkin spice and some acrylic paint in Snow White. So while I'm cleaning this mess up before I get started, I'd like to let you know that you can check out Drea and Rhea's channels below. I've left a link to their channels as well as the playlist so you can see what everyone else came up with on this $5 Dollar Tree DIY today. I'll also be using about 15 Jenga blocks or tumbling tower game blocks from the Dollar Tree. So the total cost for this project was $4. Now I'll begin by painting the pumpkins with the pumpkin spice chalk paint, and I'll paint the ghost white. I would also like to say that I did see this picture on Pinterest, I believe it was, so this is a Pinterest inspired DIY. I will paint both sides of these. Now while we're waiting on the pumpkins and ghosts to dry, I'll be gluing 12 Jenga blocks together just like this, and I'll just be using hot glue for this. I'll use the other 3 remaining Jenga blocks to make a little base behind the pumpkins and ghosts to hold them up. And now we have our base together. This DIY is so super simple, guys. It probably took 10 or 15 minutes to do it. Really simple. Now I'll begin placing the letters on the pumpkins and ghosts, and I'm going to spell out trick or treat, and then I'll place those on the base. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it to get it centered. So I glue one Jenga block down and I glue the pumpkin to it so it will hold it up. The ghost doesn't have a lot of room to hot glue, but it's enough so it will work out. And here's what we have, guys. Really super simple and cute. Just a second, I'll display it for you. So here it is, guys. I did take a little hot glue and fill in the holes at the top and dabbed a little paint on. But really super simple, quick DIY, $4, and it took me 10 or 15 minutes to put this together. So thank you, Drea and Rhea, for hosting this $5 Dollar Tree DIY today. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. And as always, thanks to my subscribers for your continued support. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.